Hi Bromies, it's your boy Ricky here with Bromero Cards. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all, you haven't seen me in about a month because I have been super busy. I really didn't get a chance to tell you guys, I don't think, on a video, but I decided to take the month of January off to get my craft room in order. And so today is the 21st of January. I have to say I've been working on this since January 1st. And I am happy to report that the craft room is all clean. It's all nice and shiny and pretty. And I'm super excited to go ahead and get started creating again. Now, before I started getting this room all messy and stuff, there was a few things that I wanted to talk about, or actually just one today. But I wanted to talk about my glass mat, or my glass mats that I have. They're all shiny and clean right now, so I thought it would be a perfect time to talk about it and I could show it off and all that great stuff. So yeah, so I got this room all cleaned up. I got the desk all cleared off. I have things in their places and places in their things. I had boxes all over the floor and I couldn't really move in this room. And I will be having a craft room tour video coming out soon. And you're going to see what the room looked like before and what it looks like after. So don't worry, you're going to be able to see all that. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was my glass mat and what I use and why I love it and all that great stuff. So my glass mats are from glassboardstudio.com. I've had them for a few years now, and I actually have two or three of them. Three of them, actually. No, four, because I got a new calendar too. But I just wanted to show them off to you really quick, talk about it, and all that great stuff. So just in case you're wondering what I record on, if you're interested in getting a glass mat, then I could totally tell you about the one that I have. So it is from glassboardstudio.com. And I have a couple of them. Let me go down to the downward facing camera. Hopefully this works. I haven't used it in a while, so we're going to see if this works. So, all right, and then I'm going to zoom out too, because I want you guys to see these. You're going to see my mouse and all that stuff. You're going to see parts of the desk that you rarely get to see because it's usually covered in stuff. So here I have the white glass mat. This is the smallest one I have. It is, I think it's 18 by 24. And it does have a grid on it. And they do come magnetized. So that's one good thing about this glass board is they're magnetized. Woo, you guys, things are just falling out all over the place here. There we go. So anyway, the glass boards. So I use these all the time. They are fantastic and great. They're magnetic. I do have a black and a white one. Depending on my mood or what I'm going to be recording, I'll go between the two. They are, let me go ahead and take this white one off so you can see the black one. Here we go. You're going to see the reflection of my mirror, or the mirror image of my ceiling here. You're going to see my camera and all that great stuff. Normally you would not see that on my videos because it's zoomed in, but I decided to zoom out so that you guys could see this whole thing. It is very big and it's wonderful. It's magnetic. One thing I like about the magnet is if you wanted to do any type of stenciling, you could use the magnets to hold down your paper and your stencils in order to do that. What I also love about it is you could do mixed media projects on it. You can do alcohol ink, acrylic paints, watercolor. You could spritz, you could spray, you can do all the things, splatter, spatter, all those things. And it's just easy as cleaning up and wiping off. Now, this is scratch resistant, not scratch proof. So it does get scratches. I went a while with my white one without any scratches, but then I noticed as time went by, there were getting scratches, and things that can cause scratches or anything that's like hard plastic like this, like, you know, if it has like a little ridged bottom on it, it could cause a scratch. Jewelry, if you wear rings, if you know, slam down like that, it could chip it. You know, just kind of things like that. X-Acto knives, if you're cutting on it, you know, you want to be very careful. And I would probably, if I was going to cut on my mat, I would probably put a self-healing mat on top of this, honestly. I wouldn't want to use anything sharp for that. But like I said, it is magnetic. It's very easy to clean. One thing you don't want to do is actually dip it in water because I don't know who would do that, but you just don't want to do that. And then, yeah, it's pretty clean. It's easy. It's a little heavy. It's hefty. It's a hefty girl, but it does its job. I love it. It is, as you can see, it is reflective. So if you do videos, then depending on your lighting situation and things like that, um, you might not see things. So I just want to zoom in to see what I'm actually going to see when I record, because I haven't done it with the black glass mat since I've had the cameras. So we're going to zoom in here and we're just going to see what this looks like. So it is pretty reflective. You will see my camera, which is here, which is up there. And then you can see a little bit of my ceiling fan that's around here somewhere. Here we go. So a little bit of my ceiling fan, but you can't really see my lights that are coming down onto the desk. So that's good. But yeah, one good thing about this is I lost my train of thought. Oh, the measurements. There's measurements on it so that you can measure like where your card is and do like equal like, blending or measuring or things like that. So that's pretty great. So I did want to just let you know that I really love this glass mat. It's something that I use every day in my craft room, whether it to be the white one or this black one. But I also did want to let you know that they have generously offered a discount code for you guys to get 20% off. That code is Bromero20. I will have a link down in the description for you. If you click it, it should automatically put my code in there for you. But if it doesn't, type in Bromero20. Also, just to let you know, it is an affiliate link. So when you do purchase from there with your 20% discount, I get a small commission on that, and which helps me bring things to this channel for you guys. As you can see, if you are a longtime follower of Bromy, you'll see my background has changed. You are going to get you're going to get a full detailed room tour of this, but that is like my wall of magic behind me right now. I love it. It makes me happy. It's super, it's bright. It's like all the rainbows. But yeah, so be on the lookout for that video. It'll be coming out soon once I get everything edited. I need to get someone in here to actually hold the camera for me while I go around the room. I don't know if I'll have my husband do that because he's not very good with the camera, y'all. But I'll find someone. But anyway, yes, make sure you guys use the code Bromero20, glassportstudio.com. It'll be linked down below. And pretty soon you're going to be seeing more projects coming from me. I'm done with this craft room cleanup 10 days in advance. So I may come out with a few videos before the end of the month. I'm not for sure. I do have some design team member stuff that I have to do first. But outside of that, maybe I'll try to get a live in or something. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.